May the odds be ever in your favor. Hello and welcome to my review of The Hunger Games. Let me just start off with this review. I have read The Hunger Games books. I am on the final book, and the first book was my favorite, and I was really excited for this. I was jittery the past few months, and I'm just so glad I can review it. Now, let me just start. Now, for the plot of The Hunger Games, for you people who don't know it, you know who you are. Don't pretend like you know the plot. But the plot of Hunger Games is Katniss Everdeen is a girl from District 12 whose sister, Primrose Everdeen, gets drafted into the Hunger Games, which is a violent reality TV show where they make 24 kids, one male and one female from each district, fight to the death, and the winner gets fame and fortune, and the losers die. Now let me start off with this movie followed the book pretty well. But like the things they missed were big things. Like I'll get to that when I go into some spoilers of this review. And what I really liked about The Hunger Games though is I felt like they nailed most of the characters perfectly. Haymitch, Effie, and Katniss specifically. I felt like they nailed them perfectly. Especially Haymitch. I love Woody Harrelson, and Haymitch was my favorite character in the book. Great job, Woody Harrelson. Props to you. And also, let me get into the acting of this film. Now, let's start off with Jennifer Lawrence. From scene 1 to the final scene, she owns this film. She is the perfect Katniss. I loved her as Katniss. Couldn't casted anyone better myself, ever. And Josh Hutcherson as Peter. I felt like he didn't do an awful job. I felt like he did pretty well, but I felt like they could have casted someone a lot better. But it's not like his acting was awful, but it wasn't the best. Like compared to Jennifer Lawrence, no, out of the ballpark. And to continue on with acting, Woody Harrelson. I thought he made the perfect Haymitch. I wanted him to play Haymitch, and he got the part. That was perfect. He was the perfect drunk Haymitch mentor, the cocky jerk face he is, and he nailed it right on the skull. And finally, to end my acting talk, I have to mention Caesar Flickerman. He is like this interviewer commentator for The Hunger Games, and he is hilarious in the book, he's hilarious in the movie. I don't know who played him, but he did a phenomenal job of just making you laugh whenever he's showing his face and he's smiling really big. It's just hilarious, and I loved it. Now let me get into some spoilers about this film. But first of all, for you people who can't watch the spoilers, I give this movie a 3 out of 4 stars. And here are the spoilers, so if you have not read the books, you have not seen the movie, click away now. Now, first of all, I have to mention the one big thing that bothered me in this movie. It was that, you know how at the end, when the dogs come, and the people who read the book will know this, is those dogs were actually supposed to be tributes who died, and they show their eyes to the people of tributes who died. And that was my favorite part of the ending. They cut that out. That got half of the score taken away. If they didn't cut that out, 4 stars off the bat. And also, there were a few things where I thought the train scenes were a little shorter than they were in the book. I don't know, but yeah. I haven't read the book in a while, but I loved it. I remember it very well, and I'm pretty sure. Also, another thing is, they really never show Rue jumping from tree to tree like she did in the book. And that just kind of bugged me. Rue's my favorite character, though. Well, she's my favorite female character, I guess you could say. Haymitch is my favorite male character, so yeah. And really, there wasn't much wrong with this whole movie. It was very good, and I liked it. And I especially liked who played Fresh. He got the BA feel of Fresh had. Props to him. And out of all, as I said before, 3 out of 4 stars. 3 it got taken away free because it's only free because sorry, I'm mumbling here. It's only free because it did not have the wolves, and that really bugged me. I am sorry. So, have a wonderful evening. Definitely see this movie.